Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change email on ClearScore. If you're looking for a way to change your email address on ClearScore, then here is how you can do it. First of all, open up a web browser and make sure to log into your ClearScore account. Once you're inside the main homepage, go to the upper right corner and click on your profile avatar. In the expanded menu, click on My Account. After clicking on the My Account button, go ahead and click on the View button right under your details. Once you open up your details, click the Update button right next to Registered Email. After you click on Update, on the next page, enter your new email address you are trying to change to and click Update. Right after you do that, you will be able to change your email. Now you'll need to verify your new email address. Click the Verify button and follow through the instructions. That's how you easily change your email address associated with your ClearScore account in just a few steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.